Hello all.
Johnny Cage. My fury will be brought to bear.
Hello and welcome back to Mortal Kombat.
Now you will perish.
I always get bored by drifting.
Fight.
How am I doing?
Pray for the Khan's mercy.
Hope someone got a shot of that.
Round 2. Fight. You don't impress me.
Yeah, you need to punish someone.
Finish him. Johnny Cage wins.
Kill over.
Fatality.
The shatters, man. It's a bit windy in here. Could it be? Life sucks. I don't care, man. Nobody's watching me anyway. But I know I need to go to the toilet and pee off.
What do you want, Cage?
Hey, Jack.
Thought you could use a workout.
Aren't you busy making another shitty movie?
Round 1. Fight.
It's uncomfortable. Here. Bojack style. Should we starting up, eh? Okay.
Round 2. Fight.
okay.
Finish him.
All in a day's work.
So sometimes the black niggers at Chester
Jax
don't care
wins.
about us, right? Alright, that's okay. I mean, I don't care. I'm a very German farmer. We try.
Great.
Looking a little rusty, metal man.
Well, let's knock some of that rust off.
Round 1. Fight.
Well played.
Didn't know a face could do that.
Round 2. Fight.
Okay, that's cool. Mom's still online then? Don't know. They don't like you, man. Then should quit microphone. I told you, need a wise of beer. You can't just drink actually 9 liters of beer and just have no pee. It sucks and stinks. We continue. Cause I just wanna see me in my grave. Closer than I thought. And a horsey man. Continue. He's a wrestler. I'm just Johnny Cage. Oh my God. A-list asswipe. Maybe. I thought it's gonna be funny. Or real list is out. She's out. Campana Strawberry Salute, so let's go. Niet next geschreven. Calorica. That. fuck, dude. Let's try again. This is not fair.
Finish him.
Hey, what the hell?
All in a day's work.
Jax wins.
I smoke. Not the same like you do. You wasting your cigar, man. Go fuck yourself. America, an invasion of extraterrestrials. Nation.
Are you done having a hissy fit?
Round 1. Fight.
Oh, snap!
Huh? What? Oh my gosh. Why I have this stuff on? This is not fair. That's why I was losing all the times. This is not fair. Half hour later.
Dax, what's up?
But that's why I'm dying so fast. It's not fair, goddammit. Seriously, this isn't fair. Hello? Oh, this is so unfair. Okay, skip.
Alien wins.
You can't win. Okay, I don't get it. Just skip. It makes no sense to win in here. Hey, come on, I started up this game. I thought actually you can do squeezing some bodies and stuff, this shit. What the fuck is that? Okay, skip. This is not fair. What kind of an assholes they are, these producers. Warner Brothers. I just wanna win.
Ill wind blew you here.
Same one that knocked.
Round
Could
1.
be fair fight, normal fight, good fight, or something else. See that? I already lose my whole health. Okay, that is unfair as shit. I don't understand this rule. That's correct.
I'd frame that.
Johnny Cage
Go
wins.
fuck yourself. I don't understand, man. Nope. They want to have you like that. Let's do it again. And try to... You know, I won that tower. I give up.
Sub-Zero.
I felt your chill.
pray it is the end of our encounter.
It no longer can be.
Round 1. Fight!
Why?
You overestimate your skill.
This is my own tower.
Fight!
Why just get health left? What the fuck, yo? Yo, this is not fair. If I'm attacked, I get actually health away. Not plus or something. Yeah, sure. Okay, that is so unfair. I quit. This is not fair. No. This is my own tower. Oh, oh, that's so much it. Fuck off, you fucking model ass.